Hello students, welcome to the English class of class 2. The topics are sentences and punctuation marks. Sentences. Let's revise the three types of sentences first. Number 1. Statements. We put a full stop at the end of a statement. Number 2. Questions. We put a question mark at the end of a question. Number 3. Exclamatory sentences. We put an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence that shows strong or forceful emotion. Capital letter. Every sentence starts with a capital letter. For example, we are going to the market or to the park. The W here is capital because it is at the beginning of the sentence, the first letter. Number 2. This is a new car. So the T here is capital. Capitalization of I. Students, I when used alone is always capital. For example, I am a girl, so the I is capital. Sheena and I went to the market. I is capital here as well. Number 3. I love to eat pancakes. I is capital. Please remember whether the I comes in the starting of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence, it has to be capital always. Punctuation marks. We use punctuation so that our writing makes sense. Full stops, question marks, commas, and exclamation marks are punctuation marks. The various punctuation marks are: this is a full stop. It is used to end a statement. This is a question mark. It is used when asking a question, like where are you going? Question mark. Exclamation mark. It is used when expressing a feeling or strong emotion, like what a lovely flower, and then you put an exclamation mark. Comma. Comma is used to separate more than two items in a sentence. For example, I like apples, comma, mangoes, and oranges. Full stop. Next, my best friends are Ria, comma, Rohit, and Jia. Let's learn a little more about comma. A comma separates items in a list and shows a break in a sentence. Every time you see a comma, you must take a little rest. So that means every time you are reading, you see a comma, you have to give a pause. Before bed, let's all read this together. Before bed each night, I brush my teeth. I put on my pajamas and then I read a book. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe.